So web development guidelines to prevent session hijacking. Uh, we s- so here, um, okay, create session keys with lengthy strings or random numbers so that it is difficult for an attacker to guess a valid session key. This point we already saw in the previous video also. Regenerate the session ID after a successful login to prevent session fixation attacks. Encrypt the data and session key transfer between the user and web servers. Implement secure sockets layer SSL to encrypt all the information in transit via network. Make the session expire as soon as the user logs out. Prevent dropping within the network. Reduce the lifespan of a session or a cookie. Use restrictive cache directives for all the web traffic through HTTP and HTTPS, such as cache control, no cache, no store, and pragma, no cache, HTTP headers, and slash equivalent meta tags on all or at least sensitive web pages. Do not create sessions for unauthenticated users unless necessary. Ensure HTTP only while using cookies for session IDs. Use a secure flag to send cookies in HTTPS requests and encrypt them before sending across the network. Check whether all the requests received for the current session originate from the web address, same IP address and user agent. Yeah. So if an attacker hijacks a session, the IP address will be different from the actual user. So it is better to check for a session, the packets or messages are coming from a same IP address. Implement continuous device verification to identify whether the user who established the session is in control. So continuous device verification. So if the attacker hijacks a session, the device will change. So there should be a way to identify the session is being used by a single device. Implement risk-based authentication at different levels before granting access to sensitive information. Perform authentication and integrity verification between VPN endpoints. So after web development guidelines, we'll see web user guidelines in the next video.